The origins of artificial intelligence, AI, can be traced back to the 1950s, when a group of researchers gathered at Dartmouth College for a summer conference to discuss the possibility of creating thinking machines. The conference, which took place in 1956, was attended by researchers such as John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Nathaniel Rochester, and Claude Shannon, who were all interested in exploring the possibility of creating intelligent machines. It was at this conference that the term artificial intelligence was first coined, as the researchers sought to describe the field of study they were embarking on. The goal of the conference was to explore the idea of creating machines that could perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as understanding natural language, recognizing objects, and solving problems. The Dartmouth Conference marked the beginning of the field of AI, and the researchers who attended the conference went on to become some of the most influential figures in the field. The conference also served as a catalyst for further research and development in AI, and it's considered as one of the key milestones in the history of AI. In the years that followed the Dartmouth Conference, AI research focused on developing programs that could mimic human intelligence and solve problems using logic and rule-based systems. One of the early successes in AI was the creation of the first AI program, The Logic Theorist, by Alan Newell and Herbert Simon in 1955, which demonstrated the feasibility of using computers to reason and solve problems. Covering key figures and milestones in the history of artificial intelligence is an important aspect to understand the evolution of this field. Alan Turing is considered as the father of AI. His work laid the foundation for the field of AI. He proposed the Turing test, a test to determine a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior that is indistinguishable from a human. John McCarthy is known as the father of AI for coining the term artificial intelligence in 1956. He also contributed to the development of the LISP programming language, which is widely used in AI research. Marvin Minsky is considered as one of the founders of AI, and he made significant contributions to the field of AI. He developed the first head-mounted graphical display and the first light pen, which are considered to be the first steps towards virtual reality. Alan Newell and Herbert Simon developed the first AI program, The Logic Theorist, in 1955, which demonstrated the feasibility of using computers to reason and solve problems. This program was able to prove mathematical theorems by using logic and symbol manipulation. Eliza was the first AI-powered chatbot, created by Joseph Weizenbaum in 1966. It was able to simulate a conversation with a human by using simple pattern matching and substitution rules. This chatbot was able to understand natural language input and provide appropriate responses. In 1997, IBM Deep Blue defeated the world chess champion, Garry Kasparov, in a 6-game match. This was a significant milestone in the history of AI, as it demonstrated the ability of a machine to beat a human at a highly complex game. In 2016, AlphaGo, developed by Google, defeated the world champion in the game of Go, which is considered one of the most complex board games in the world. This was a significant milestone in the history of AI, as it demonstrated the ability of a machine to master a game that have long been considered too complex for a computer to solve. These key figures and milestones in the history of AI have greatly contributed to the development of this field and to the understanding of how machines can be made intelligent. Their work has laid the foundation for further research and development in AI, and has paved the way for the creation of more advanced AI systems and applications. The AI winter is a term used to describe a period of reduced funding and interest in artificial intelligence research during the 1970s and 1980s. This period was characterized by a lack of progress and overhyped expectations in the field of AI, leading to a decrease in funding and interest from both the government and the private sector. One of the main reasons for the AI winter was the failure of early AI systems to live up to their expectations. Early AI systems, such as rule-based systems and expert systems, were limited in their capabilities and were unable to perform tasks that required human-like intelligence. This led to a decrease in funding and interest in AI research, as it was believed that the field was not making significant progress. Another reason for the AI winter was the lack of sufficient computational power. Early AI systems were limited by the technology available at the time and were unable to process large amounts of data. However, in the 1990s, a resurgence in AI research occurred, driven by advances in computer technology and the availability of large amounts of data. The advent of more powerful computers and the growth of the Internet enabled the collection and sharing of large amounts of data, which was essential for the development of machine learning, a method of teaching computers to learn from data. The resurgence in AI research also led to the development of more advanced AI systems that were able to perform tasks that required human-like intelligence, such as speech recognition and image recognition. This renewed interest in AI research led to significant progress in the field, and it is still ongoing, with AI being integrated into various industries today. The current state of artificial intelligence is characterized by its rapid growth in recent years, driven by advances in machine learning and the availability of large amounts of data. Machine learning, a method of teaching computers to learn from data, has enabled the creation of more advanced AI systems that can perform tasks that require human-like intelligence, such as speech recognition, image recognition, and natural language processing. The availability of large amounts of data has also played a crucial role in the development of AI, as it allows AI systems to learn and improve their performance over time. The growth of the Internet and the increasing number of connected devices have made it possible to collect and store large amounts of data, which is essential for the training of AI systems. AI is currently being used in various industries, such as finance, transportation, retail, manufacturing, customer service, and robotics. In finance, AI is being used to detect fraud, analyze financial data, and make predictions about stock prices and market trends. In transportation, AI is being used in self-driving cars to navigate roads and make decisions in real time, as well as in logistics to optimize delivery routes and improve efficiency. In retail, AI is being used to personalize recommendations, predict customer behavior, and optimize pricing strategies. In manufacturing, AI is being used to automate tasks, such as quality control, and to optimize production processes, resulting in increased efficiency and cost savings. In robotics, AI is being used to control robots and drones, enabling them to perform tasks such as manufacturing, delivery, and cleaning. In healthcare, for example, AI is being used to analyze medical images and assist in the diagnosis of diseases, such as cancer. In customer service, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are being used to automate customer service tasks, such as answering common questions and providing support. In gaming, AI is being used to create more realistic and engaging gaming experiences, as well as to create AI-controlled characters and opponents. These are just a few examples of the many ways AI is being used in the real world to improve efficiency and productivity in various settings. As the field of AI continues to evolve, it's likely that more and more applications for AI will be discovered in the future. The impact of AI on various industries has been significant, leading to increased efficiency and cost savings. However, it also raises concerns about potential job displacement and ethical consideration. The future of AI is expected to bring even more advancements and breakthroughs. The integration of AI with other technologies such as the Internet of Things, 5G, and quantum computing will enable the creation of even more advanced AI systems with more capabilities and intelligence. Research in areas such as artificial general intelligence, AGI, and artificial superintelligence, ASI, also gaining momentum, with the potential to create machines that can perform any intellectual task that a human can. I encourage you to think critically about the history and evolution of AI and its impact on society today. It will help you understand the implications of this technology and its potential future developments. It's important to consider the ethical and social issues surrounding AI and its impact on society, as well as its potential benefits in various industries.